I'm going to list some of the very common test-driven development mistakes that developers make when they're first starting out. And I'm giving you these so that you can avoid them. Don't start with boilerplate or framework code. You don't need Spring and Angular or Blazor. You only need your unit test framework. You can absolutely drop in and wire up the ingress and egress frameworks once the guts of your functionality are working and tested. Do not, I can't stress this enough, do not write all your test cases first.
No.
If anything, writing all the test cases first is closer to behavior-driven development than it is to test-driven development. These disciplines, though similar, have very different approaches. It is, I'll just say that again, it is valid and necessary to do some design, if only to define your end state or to signpost your initial direction. And you'll probably need some Flintstone-esque pen and paper in order to do this. It's actually important to remember, especially when doing test-driven development, the act of planning is vastly more valuable than the actual plan it produces. Usually the moment you start down your plan or your design, you will invariably find some deviation from it. To learn more about test-driven development practice, check out this video next.